Welcome back to Easy Programming by Venu Gopal. In this video, I am going to explain to you how to generate the Fibonacci series up to a specific range using Python coding. Let me start. So I am opening the VS Code and here I am creating a new file. The file name is Fibonacci.py. Fibonacci.py. And let's write here the title or the program name. What is that? Program to generate Fibonacci series up to a specific range. Right. So what is meant by Fibonacci series? Let's discuss here. The series will be like this: 0, 1. Then if you add this 0 and 1, means 0 plus 1. Next digit or next number will be generated, that is 1. Then if you add this 1 and 1, last two numbers, if you add, then that is 2. Then 1 plus 2, then 3. And then 2 plus 3, 5. And then 3 plus 5, 8. And then 5 plus 8, 13. And 8 plus 13, 21. And so on like this. Means here, if you add the previous two numbers, then it is creating or generating the next number. Okay, like that. So this is what Fibonacci series. So we have to generate this series up to a range. So we have to enter one range from keyboard. Then up to that range here, we have to display this Fibonacci series. Now let me start the coding. So first we'll take a range from keyboard r equal to int of input of enter the range. And here initially we have to take the two numbers. Let's take a comma b equal to 0 comma 1. Means a value is 0 here and b value is 1. Next, let's start the loop for n in range of, range is what? R. And here we'll print a. And here I want to print horizontally. So e and equal to space. And then here a comma b, I'm writing one expression, a comma b equal to b comma a plus b. That's it. So our code is completed. Very, very simple program this is. Now we'll run this. Save and run. Py Fibonacci.py. Enter. Now here I'm giving the range 10. Now see, this is a Fibonacci series. Up to the range is what? 10. 10 means first to 10 numbers in the series. Like if I enter 5, then 5 numbers in the series. First 5 numbers starting from 0. Okay. Let me explain how this code is working. So first, see, r equal to, for example, input is 5. So next here, initially a value is 0, then b value is 1. Now here loop n values are what? Starting from 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, because I given the range is 5. So that's why n values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here first time a value is printed here. A value is what here? 0. That's why let me write output here 0. Okay. Next after that a comma b equal to b comma a plus b. Let me write this formula here. A comma b equal to b comma a plus b. Means what we are doing here, b value we are storing into a, then in the b we are calculating what? A plus b, that value we are storing into b. Okay, so that according to this a value is b value. What is the last b value? I mean initially we have taken c here 1. That's why a equal to 1 here. A equal to 1 here. And next b value. So what is the b value? So b value here is a plus b, means 0 plus 1. Last see here, initially 0, 1 are there, no? Okay, that's why 0 plus 1, that is 1 here. Okay, then the control will go back. Now this time say, okay, initially 0, right? This is completed. Next time n is 1. So whenever n is 1, then again a value is printed. What is the a value? Last updated a value is 1. That's why here 1 is printed. Next, it will calculate. So a equal to, I mean, a comma b equal to b comma a plus b again. So a equal to what happens here? Tell me. A equal to means b, right? So last updated b value is 1. So that we are assigning to a. Okay. Next, b equal to a plus b. Last updated ab values are 1, 1. That's why 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, because see b value is what a plus b. That's why 1 plus 1, that is 2. Next, the control will go back. Now this time n value is 2, and now again the control will move into the loop, and then this time a value is printed here. That is what 1. See this one only, last updated value, that is printed here. Again, it will calculate a comma b equal to b comma a plus b. Means a value is what? B, that is 2. Then b value is a plus b, that is 1 plus 2. Last updated a b values 1 plus 2. That's why that is what? 3. Okay. Next, the control will go back again. Now this time n value is 3. Now what is the a value? Last updated a value is 2. That's why 2 will print here. Then again a equal to b value, that is 3. Then b equal to a plus b. Means last updated ab values are what? 2, 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5. Then again control will go back. Now this time n value is 4. Actually it is the last value. So next time loop will not be repeated. So next here a will be printed. That is a value is what here? 3. That is printed here. Okay. Then okay, it is the last one. So again you need to calculate here. However, it is going to calculate, but however the range is going to exceed here. So the loop will not continue. So finally for the input r value 5. That's why the output is 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. So as you see in the terminal, okay, if we give 5, output is like this. So in this way, we can generate the Fibonacci series using Python coding. For more such videos, you can subscribe the channel, click on bell button, and like this video, share this video to your friends as well. And if anybody want to take the live sessions of Python and Python full stack course, I given the contact details in the description box. And in the next video, I will come with one more important program. Hare Krishna.